Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how special our existence is in this universe, and at the same time, I'll be showing you how irrelevant our existence is in this universe. What makes us special? Why are we special? We are special because we are children born from the stars. Well, born from the stars? How? You look at everything around you, all the living beings, non-living things, everything around you, they are all made out of atoms. You take a stone, silicon. Look at yourself. Feel your flesh. Yeah. That bones, the bones which you can feel, calcium, atom. Carbon, nitrogen, which is there in your DNA, atoms. Oxygen, the very oxygen molecule which you breathe, which is so very essential for our existence. Even those oxygen molecules are made out of oxygen atoms. Why am I talking about atoms all of a sudden? Because it is these atoms which are cooked inside the core of a star. A star like sun. The stars which you see in the night sky. You know, those stars which look like sparkling dust on the sheet of the sky every night that you see. These atoms are cooked in those stars. That is the reason why I say that we are star children. We are children born from the stars. We are star kids. We are star kids. I'm a star kid. You are a star kid. The neighbor is also a star kid. But now I wish to tell you why our existence is irrelevant. Why our existence is irrelevant. If you look at the picture of this galaxy right here, it's impossible to find out where a star like sun is. Our very own sun. Impossible to point out where this sun is. If you can't point out where the sun is, you can't even point out where Earth is in this galaxy. It's there, but you just cannot see it. It's so small, it's so tiny. If you cannot spot Earth or the sun, you cannot spot any of the human beings also. So if one fine day an asteroid comes and wipes out this planet, do you think it's going to make a difference in this galaxy? No. It's not going to make any difference to this galaxy. That is how irrelevant our existence is. I mean, it's not going to make any difference. Now, this is just one galaxy out of the billion galaxies which are there. Now, in this galaxy, right here, you have billions of stars, and each of those stars having their own planets. So you see how vast this entire universe is, and in this vast universe, here we are on this planet worrying about all the possible things, having grudges against all the possible people, being jealous about all the possible people, having pride and ego. For what? We are carrying pride and ego as if we are the kings and queens of this universe. But as I just now explained, one asteroid, that's all that it takes to wipe out this planet, and this galaxy will not look any different. So that is the reason why I chose this topic, that we are special but at the same time we are irrelevant. So we are special in this universe should always remind you that there will be somebody else who is also special. So we need to treat each other respectfully. We need to help each other out. We need to do at least one act of random kindness daily, just to make this world a better place. And the fact that we are irrelevant in this universe should always remind you that we should not hold grudges. We should not hold pride. We should not be angry or jealous with anybody, because it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Our anger, our jealousy, our pride, can you see its position in this galaxy here? No. Right? So is it worth holding that grudge, holding that anger, holding that ego? No. So I hope you got the message which I tried to say. I'm sorry I brought in science to teach you some values, but if that helps, then yay. Have a nice day. Keep this thought in mind and spread the word around. Thank you.